Time is such a crucial entity that the one who uses it wisely becomes successful and the one who wastes it becomes unsuccessful. Islamic teachings teach us about the importance of time. Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, there are two things which many people lose. One is health and the other one is free time. In other hadith, Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, the people of Jannah will not have any regrets except for the moment of life that have passed without the remembrance of Allah. Imam Hasan al-Basri rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi said, O human, your life is nothing but days. Whenever one day passes, consider that the part of your life have passed. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam.
We love Madani Channel. We love Madani Channel. We love Madani Channel.